Okay, so now we're solving systems of equations in context. Here's the solving for x and y. This will even let you choose how do you want to solve. You can try these if you want. We're going to go right on to the new stuff today. Okay, you have 36 coins totaling $3, and all the coins are nickels and quarters. How many of each coin does she have? Do you have? Okay, so let x be the number of nickels and y be the number of quarters. So in total you have 36, so the total number has to be x plus y equals 36. But the total value, well, nickels are 5 cents, 0.05, and quarters are 0.25, and that has to add. So 0.5 times my nickels plus 0.25 times my quarters has to equal $3. Now you got your system of equations you can solve, and you can use whatever method you want to solve. So I see a nice, easy substitution thing here. You could, multiply everything by negative 0.05 or negative 0.25, whichever you want to do. I just see this. I'm going to take x plus y. I'm going to subtract y and get x is negative y plus 36. Now I'm going to plug this in for my x here. Do my distribution. Combine my like terms. Subtract 1.8 from both sides. Divide by negative 0.2. And so I've got to have 6 quarters. Now just go back to the easiest one again. I look at this. I'm going to plug in 6. Now the trick here, you can actually just do this. I want to solve for x. You could plug it in here. It's just as easy to plug it in here. They're the same equation. One second. So yeah, I'm going to plug in 6 right here. And so I've got 36 minus 6 essentially. So x is 30. So I have 30 nickels. 30 nickels, 6 quarters. Okay, your turn to try one. See how you do here. Youth group went on a trip to an amusement park traveling in 2 vans. The number of people in each van and the total cost of admission are shown on the table. Find the adult price and the student price of admission. So in van A, the adult tickets, there were 2 adult tickets, 5 student tickets, total cost is $77. Van B, 2 adults, 7 students, cost $95. See if you can work this one out. Pause it here. Set up, you're talking about, your variables are adult tickets and student tickets. Has to equal 77. These are the costs of the tickets now. So 2 adult tickets here plus 7 student tickets here had to come to $95. So now you've got your system. Try to work it out. Pause it here, come back and check. Okay, elimination appears to be the easiest because I can get my 2 A's to cancel out right here by multiplying one of them by negative 1. Either one you want. I chose this one. So I get 2a plus 5s equals 77 over negative 2a minus 7s equals negative 95. So my 2a's cancel out. And this is going to give me negative 2s equals negative 18. So S is 9, so a student ticket costs $9. I plugged that back into the first one. I just plugged it in here. This was your choice. So 2a plus 45 is 77. Subtract 45 from both sides, 32. So A, the adult ticket, must be $16. That's it for these kind of things. You just set up the two equations, use whatever method necessary. It's just setting up the equation. Matter of fact, part of the delta math here isn't even solving, it's just setting up the equation. That's usually the most important part here. All right, good luck.